Good morning, children. Today's craft activity is hanging frog holder. For this, we will require following material: handmade sheet, newspaper, colorful craft papers, scissor, thread for hanging, of course Fevicol. Here on this handmade sheet, I will draw an oval shape with the help of pencil like this, and I will cut it with the same oval shape I have cut as a body of the. With the help of this green color sheet, I will make a face of frog by drawing an oval shape on it. This also you will cut it. I have cut this oval shape, which is I am going to paste it here. Making holder on the body of the frog, I will trace this oval shape on this green color sheet. And I will cut it. Here you can see the packet of the frog. This I am going to paste it here with the Fevicol and paste this shape on this. Now we will paste this an oval shape like this. Now using this white paper, I will make the eyes of the frog. Here I am making funny eyes. This I am going to cut it separately. This eyes here like this. Now I will cut another small circle on this black sheet. With the help of black sketch pen, I will make a nose of the frog and mouth. Now using this red color paper, I will make a tongue of the frog. From the back side I will draw it. And I will cut this shape. This I am going to paste it here like this. I will fold this red color paper into half like this and will cut triangle shape in that. This triangle shape I will paste it here on both the sides. This is ready. Using this green color paper, I will prepare hands of the frog. For this, I will fold this paper into half and will draw the hand shape. And I will cut it with the scissor. So like this you will get pair of hands. Now here you can see you have got the pair of hands. The same way we will prepare the leg also. Using this folded sheet only, I will draw legs of the frog. This I will cut it with the scissor. Here we will adjust this pair of hands to the upside like this and the leg in the bottom like this and settle it with the Fevicol. Now here the frog is ready. With the help of this newspaper, I will make a branch of the tree. Here I have prepared a straw using newspaper as a branch of tree. On this paper straw, I will apply brown color. Now leave this branch to dry. Till then, using some colorful papers, we will prepare some flowers. So for this, I will fold this paper like this. Again, I will fold it into half. One more fold I will give, and I will cut petal shape. If you will open this, you will get flower like this. So here I have prepared some flower and petals. Before pasting this flower and petals on this branch, we will tie this thread tightly. Also, on the branch, I will hang this frog using Fevicol from this side also. And after this, I will arrange this flower on this branch. Children, here you can see your frog holder is ready.